Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Sylvia, and I'm back with an unboxing. What's new? I'm gonna be unboxing a BH Cosmetics haul that I obviously, bought. So this is not obviously my first time ordering from BH Cosmetics. I actually really love them. They have great quality stuff. So I just pretty much want to unbox. I just want to unbox what I got from them. So here is the box, and let's go. And first up, we have this cute three-piece glitter set in the Royal Affairs. It comes in this cute little satchel, cute little purse. It's adorable, and it's one of those. What are they called? I forget what these are called, but it's cute. I really like this. And a cute little pom-pom, and then we're gonna go ahead and open it, and it has 3 little glitters inside. So these are loose glitters, and this is a gold glitter here, as you can see, and this is in Gold Rush. This is the glitter in Gold Rush. Next glitter is this beautiful red glitter here. This is in Lit. It's cute. And lastly is this black kind of with like copper reflectives, it looks like, in there. It's really pretty. This is in Warm Espresso. So these are the 3 glitters that come inside of that little bag. These are really pretty. I'm super excited to try these out. I haven't done a glitter look in a long time, so I'm pretty excited about that. So there's this. Next, I got 4 BH Studio Pro beauty sponges. I have 4 of them because, I have kids, and every time I use a beauty sponge, if I leave it, like I always leave them like sitting on top of the little thing that it came in. Like I'll always leave it sitting on top of here so that it can dry, and my kids will always grab them and they'll rip them apart. So and if it's not my kids, it's my cat. So I had to buy some refills, so I got 4 of them, and I actually have used this before, and it's so good. So I decided to buy 4 just to have some extra ones. Next, I got this Base Booster eyeshadow and glitter and shadow glue right here, obviously, because I bought loose glitter, so you want to also have some glue for that. And this is what it looks like. I've never tried their glitter glue, so this is going to be super exciting to. Next, I got this mini Stellar Lash Volumizing Mascara. So funny thing about this is I thought this was like the full-size one, and it ended up coming in the box, and I realized it was a mini. So I mean, it's still a mascara, and I'm really excited to try it out. And if it works, like if I like it enough, then I'll just buy a bigger version of it. So here is the mascara. Here's the wand. It's a cute little, regular mascara wand. And this packaging is super cute. I actually really like how adorable this is. It's called the Stellar Lash. To last, I didn't buy many items. I only bought 9 items. But I got this Midnight City 16 color eyeshadow palette from BH Cosmetics. Super cute. I think it's adorable. And here is the palette itself. Super cute. And it comes with a nice little mirror here. And then here is the, oh, let me take the reflective thing off. The protective film. And here is the eyeshadow. Ooh, this blue right here, baby. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and swatch it because obviously, why not? So, oh, they don't have any, okay, so they don't have names. I thought they had names, but they don't have names. So we're gonna go ahead and start swatching. We're gonna do this first row right here first, and then we're gonna keep going. So let's do this tan one right here. Okay, we got this cute apricot. Cute. We got this, like, it's like a black, it's a black shimmer That's what I'm talking about. And then we got this beautiful blue, which I'm so excited to try. Ooh, look at that. That is beautiful. I actually really love these. Ooh, those look so cute. Alright, BH. I see, I see. Now we're gonna go for this second row right here. This cute little rose goldish. Gold. That's so cute. Now this matte brown. And this matte gray. Ooh, look at those. See, that's so good though. Like for mattes, those are so creamy. I really like this. So next we're gonna go ahead and swatch this row right here. So this row has 3 shimmers and 1 matte, while this first row had 2 shimmers, 2 mattes, 2 shimmers, 2 mattes. So this one has 3 shimmers and 1 matte. So we're gonna go ahead and swatch this one. So this is this cute gray. It's cute. This cute pink. Say like a brown reflective. It's like a, yeah, it's like a matte shadow, but it has like reflex in it, if that makes sense. And then this matte kind of taupe. Ooh, so pretty. I love this. And the last row is right here. We have 3 mattes and 1 shimmer. So this color is actually really pretty. It's like a green, it's like a blue green. So we're gonna go ahead and swatch that down here. Ooh, they're so pigmented. This is a plum, another brown matte, and then a dark brown matte. Oh, look at this. These swatches are so good. So if anybody knows me, they know I just go 1, 2, 3, and then I go ahead and swatch. So these, for just like a little roundabout, are so good. Obviously, like, look, you see like these 2 shades here are more like a reflective shade, so they won't really show up on camera a lot, but for reference, this is the Midnight City palette from BH Cosmetics. It's so beautiful, and look, these shades, I cannot wait to use this palette. I'm so excited for this. I do really wish they had a names for the eyeshadows. I mean, it's not really a big deal, but you know, just in case. So yeah, last but not least, I got this palette. And I always wanted it, but I just never took the initiative to go onto the website and get it. And every time that I did go on the website, it was sold out. So I finally went on the website and I was like, you know what, let me just make an order. And it was finally in stock, so I was like, oh my god, yes. And obviously I got it. This is the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I have always wanted this palette, and I'm so excited to have it now. This is what it looks like. Here, obviously, it has its cute little mirror, and then here is the eyeshadows. Oh, I'm so excited. There's so many colors in here. It's just so beautiful, and I love this black here just to like even out everything. And you got these 2 shimmers here, and these are all, you know, like, I love how it's color coordinated, and it's just a beautiful rainbow palette. It's gorgeous. It's great for Pride Month. It's great for Pride Month. I'm so excited. So, oh, this came just in time. I ordered it just in time. So, oh, I'm so excited to try this out. So that was my BH Cosmetics haul. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me unbox this haul. I really am sorry that I didn't do swatches on the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, but thank you guys for watching my video. Yeah, so don't forget to like this video if you really liked it. Give it a thumbs up. Comment down below any videos you want to see or anything. Subscribe since you're already here, or subscribe on your way out. And if you're new, hello, my name is Sylvia and I am a mess, and I'm so happy to be your friend. So anything I showed in this video I will leave down below in the description box, so don't forget to check that out on your way out, as well with some social medias, my Instagrams, my Facebooks, my Snapchats, or whatever. So yeah, thank you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.